Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check what devices are using your Apple ID. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app on your iPhone, then tap your name at the very top, and this will open your Apple ID settings. Scroll down and you'll see a list of all devices that currently signed in with your Apple ID. So in my Apple ID, the signed in device is the iPhone 13 named Teen. Tap on any device to view more details such as model, version, and location. If you see a device that you don't recognize, you can remove it by selecting Remove from Account for security. And that's it. You've successfully checked what devices are using your Apple ID. Keep your Apple account safe by reviewing your devices regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.